Alright everybody, so I just got a call a little bit ago. Never fails. I was on a date night with my beautiful wife. We were at the Pine Tavern having dinner, and I get a call from the U.S. Forest Service law enforcement, and someone has driven into Oak Lake. So, from the pictures, it looks like they drove in about 20 feet. I don't know the particulars yet till I get up there. So we are heading up to get them out. And hopefully we can beat it before it gets dark. But it is going to be chilly. And we're going to be getting wet. So enjoy the ride and we'll see what we go do. Alright guys, so we're gonna go do some fishing. This truck is about 20-25 feet off the boat ramp here. So he was trying to find the right spot to launch his boat, and then he found the deep spot and got stuck and fell in. He did turn the truck off, so hopefully he didn't get hydrolocked. But so yeah, gonna go get it. And this is going to be cold. I already know it. So we've got our soft shackle. Trying to find a spot to hook it to. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, yeah, cold, chilly. This is one of the high lakes, so it's pretty cold out here. Whew. Oh, it's getting deeper. Whew. Yep, it's getting cold. I will set this in here. This whole bed's full too. Everything. Whew. This is cold. So you may see if we can just pull it on the ball. I don't really like that. Trying to find, I don't know if you can really see it or not. camera's getting wet. So, we're gonna hook you up there. Out of the way. Sorry if it's just going all over the place. So the sleeve is preventing me from sliding it through, so I'm going to take the sleeve off. Alright guys, so down in the water we got the soft shackle hooked to the receiver. Let's see if we can make sure this thing's in neutral. Oh, there's a hole. Alright. Okay. Okay. We're in neutral now. Got the steering wheel locked so it doesn't get funny. Okay. Water's not so bad once you get in it for a little bit. Man! That initial shock! Oh. Are the keys in it? Are the keys still in it?
God, I can't.
They're not in your pocket?
Yeah, they should be in it.
Okay. What's that?
I feel like you said that.
Alright, we gotta go back. Tires seem a little turned. I want to stay on the boat ramp. Oh, just as I was getting right off. There's a hole somewhere. Feel the tire, see where it's at. Okay. It's turned. Where's the... See if that straightened it out. Okay. Feels like the tire's straight. Looks like it's straight. Okay. Lock the steering wheel. Let's try this again. Oh, fun times. Be a tow truck driver, they said. All right. It's coming up pretty good on the boat ramp. So it's asphalty. It's pretty rough asphalt, but at least it's solid. Start seeing the water pour out of it. We're gonna stay right there. And we're going to put the brake, let this thing drain. Now they'll yank them work like it's supposed to. These longer ones help, so you don't have to. Find the glove. Alright guys, I got a towel I don't want to change just yet because I gotta mess with this wet truck. So we're gonna get turned around over here. Well, let's turn around on the beach, I guess. Hopefully I don't sink. Alright guys, we got the truck loaded, we got it chained down. I'm going to change out of my soaking wet clothes and I'm going to go deliver the truck to the customer's house. He is soaking wet too. I don't know if I got it on camera, but he was trying to pick up some of his trash. He fell back into the lake, so he's soaked. But we're gonna head to his house, drop this off, and I'm gonna head home. So it was pretty quick, little recovery out in the lake, something a little bit different. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time.